Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a new GPU full guide. Start by powering down and unplugging your PC. Open the case and locate the PCIe slot and power connectors. Remove side panel screws and keep them in a tray. Work on a non-static surface and organize screws. Layout tools, the new GPU, and any adapters. Double-check compatibility of PSU wattage and case clearance before proceeding. Power off and unplug again before handling hardware. Unscrew the PCIe bracket screws securing the old GPU. Disconnect all PCIe power cables and carefully press the slot latch to release the card. Grip the card by its edges and lift straight out, avoiding contact with circuitry. Place the old GPU on an anti-static mat. Inspect the slot and backplate area for dust and damage before installing the replacement. Handle the new GPU by its edges and align it with the PCIe X16 slot and bracket. Press down evenly until the retention latch engages and the card seats fully. Reinstall the bracket screws to secure the card and reconnect the required PCIe power cables from the PSU. Ensure cables do not block fans or airflow. Close the case, reconnect monitors to the GPU outputs, and power the system to confirm post and display output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.